Okay, good night, everyone. So for this time that given to me, I will uh, show you that our meeting with the title "Making Web Application and Mobile Physical Rental Application." So we got a company name. The name is PT Nusantara Badi. A legal company focused on software development such as mobile application and web design. PT Nusantara Badi itself is an established company from Indonesia and has made many innovation products with one goal: it simplify any kind of activity in life on the occasion. PT Nusantara Badi plans to develop a web and mobile application for physical rentals. Considering the absence of such application today is uh, 27 April 2020. The development team having a meeting with their CEO, discussing their plan to build a rental app for web and mobile device. So this meeting will start from Brahma. Meeting begin.
Good morning, everyone. As stated in our agenda, today we are having a meeting to discuss the development of vehicle rental application. Without further ado, Mr. Ajat, our CEO, is welcome to open this opening.
Thank you, Mr. Brahma. Morning, everyone. Thank you for all who attended this meeting today. Just like our plan, today we're going to. I'm going to hear about your opinions first, and then I'll give my opinion. Mr. Firhan, our project manager, please describe the system description on the app.
Okay, thank you for your time. All right, I'm going to describe a little bit about our system. So, our application is, I think, didn't have any special thing that we have. It's just a flat application. Okay, so I think it's better for us to give X factor or special thing to our application, just like artificial intelligence. Therefore, I'm suggesting the use for artificial intelligence into our apps. I think that's all.
Interesting. Any opinion about Mr. Firhan's suggestion? Mr. Bayu, maybe, our finance director?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Asjad. For Mr. Firhan, can you break down for the cost that will be used in the development? Because we are have some kind of tight restriction here. We only have 10 million rupiah for the budget.
That's right. We're limited to our budget. Of course, our analyst Marcel, I'd love to hear your thoughts.
Okay, I want to ask about artificial intelligence. Are there any change you have studied and predict for the sales in the future related to many service and things you offer?
Thank you. Would you like to respond their opinion, Mr. Firhan?
Of course. What I mean about adding artificial intelligence is having it implemented in the form of system recommendation. So when the user uh, input their physical criteria and the budget maybe for our system, then our system will going to give physical recommendation that fits to the criteria that given by the customer. I think like just like that.
Interesting, but can our human resources handle it?
As my experience, I think our human resource can handle. As for the budget side, I think it will be enough with the prediction of maybe 5 million for the product its own product or application, and 2 million for the artificial intelligence implementation. But is the budget only for innovation and product development, or their budget maybe?
For now, we are going to assume that 10 million rupiah for the product development. If we had 5 million for it, can you give out the details of the usage, Mr. Firhan?
All right. If we have 5 millions, we'll focus on the best product without development or innovation phase. Like our product we have development before. Okay, Mr. Marcel, maybe you can give some opinion or agreement about that.
I agree with Mr. Firhan. It's better to categorize our budget correctly.
Well, how about doing the product development in stages, and we will set the budget based on our income?
If
How
that's
about your
so,
opinion?
uh, I'm sorry. I'm too overreacting. Okay. If that's so, all right then. No worry for me.
All right. I like our meeting leads to so far. Any more question? Anyone?
I'm Mr. Asjad. Can you tell us
Sure.
about how the marketing is going to be first this product, Mr. Marcel?
Okay, before launching it to market, I've ready to do surveys, as I stated before, and also focus group discussion to see how far the customer wants and needs this application. I'm also looking for another factors such as market competitions, cost, and distribution method.
Thank you, thank you for the explanation. But you can elaborate the market target part.
About the market target, because our app is web-based. I believe this product will be used by every segment of consumer, so that we could reach a more wider market.
Okay, Mr. Marcel. If we assume there are the costs to rent a vehicle on our apps, that cost to rent a car is in range of 200 until 350,000 per day, and for motorcycle, it's 50,000 per day. Is it too expensive to our market?
Based on the survey result, I think it's perfect.
All right. If that's so, we are going to need 10 million rupiah to build the product, where the budget only used on best product development for our income is based on the total of how much rent vehicle we had per day with the cost which we agreed upon. The budget will be given out soon with our CEO permission.
Okay, I'll sign the paper soon. Does anyone want to ask again or give any suggestion? Maybe no one. If not, then I'll have my opinion. First of all, thank you to my colleagues here. I believe we can build this program and make any profit from it. I like the implementation of the artificial intelligence on our app. We're going to build it on time. And then maybe about the budget. Yes, we have limitation, but I believe we're going to have solutions around it. Anyone wanna ask again? Maybe.
It's enough, Mr.
It's
Asjad.
enough.
All right then, Mr. Brahma, please give out the conclusion from this meeting.
Okay, so what we just had discussed today was we are going to develop a resale rental web and mobile as it is focused with the addition of artificial intelligence which is suggestion from Mr. Firhan. 10 million is the budget we have to work with it in this project. For the marketing part, we will be doing field survey and for its drop result. I'll hand out to our group. I think that's the outline from today and for our next meeting, it will be scheduled with CEO permission.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Brahma. I think that's enough for today. All right, I think that's all from us. Thank you for your. Aduh, apa namanya? Lupa. Apa namanya? Oh ya. Yeah, I think that's all from us. Thank you for your attention. See you later.
Okay, see you.
Okay.